one example problem in the chapter locus. Example number 2, page number 12. Page number 12. Find the equation of locus of a point P. Find the equation of locus of a point P if the distance of P from A3, 0. P from A3, 0 is twice the distance of P from B minus 3, 0. P from B minus 3, 0. This is the question. Find the equation of locus of a point P. Let Px, y be any point on the locus. Here, let P of x, y be any point on the locus. Here given points A point 3, 0 and B point minus 3, 0 are the given points. Here given geometric condition, the distance of P from A. This is the point P, Px, y. This is the point A point 3, 0. The distance of P from A means PA is twice. Twice means 2. Twice means 2. The distance of P from B. This is the point B minus 3, 0. The distance of P from A is twice. Twice means 2. The distance of P from B means PB. This is the given geometric condition. PA is equal to 2PB. PA is equal to 2PB is the given geometric condition. Here finding the values PA and PB. First one is PA. A point 3, 0. P point x, y. Let A point x1, y1, P point x2, y2. The distance between the 2 points under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between the 2 points. PA is equal to x2, x minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 y minus y1 0 whole square under root. This is the PA value. Second one, find PB value. Let B point x1 y1 and P point x2 y2. Here PB means the distance between the 2 points P and B. The distance between the 2 points is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. PB is equal to x2 x minus x1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus y2 y minus y1 0 whole square under root. This is the PB value. Here PA and PB values substitute in equation number 1. PA is equal to 2PB. PA is equal to under root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 into PB. PB is equal to under root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square under root whole square is equal to 2 square into under root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Square root cancel. Square root cancel. Remaining value x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square 4 into x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. By using a minus b whole square formula, x minus 3 whole square, let x equal to a, 3 is equal to b. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 3. Y minus 0 whole square means y square is equal to 4 into x plus 3 whole square. By using a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square x square plus b square 3 square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 3 plus y minus 0 whole square y square x square plus 3 square 9 minus 2 3s are 6x plus y square is equal to 4 into x square plus 3 square 9 plus 2 3s are 6x plus y square. X square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square is equal to this total value multiply with 4. 4 into x square, 4x square, 4 9s are 36, 4 6s are 24x, 4 into y square, 4y square. Taking x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square right side, 4x square plus 36 plus 24x plus 4y square. Taking this total value right side, positive negative negative positive, plus x square minus x square plus 9 minus 9 plus minus 6x plus 6x plus y square minus y square is equal to 0. Write order. 4x square minus x square 3x square, 4y square minus y square 3y square plus 24x plus 6x, 24 plus 6 30x. Next one constant 36 plus 36 minus 9, 36 minus 9 plus 27 is equal to 0. 3 common, 3 into 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, 3 9s are 27 is equal to 0. 3x square plus 3y square, 3 10s are 30x, 3 9s are 27 is equal to 0. Taking 3 right side, taking 3 right side, x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0 by something, 0 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the locus of Px comma y. Therefore, the required equation of the locus of Px comma y is x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the locus of a point. This is the process for the finding the locus of a point. Let Px comma y be any point on the locus. Here given points a3 comma 0, b minus 3 comma 0. Here given geometric condition is Pa is equal to 2Pb. Pa means the distance from P from A is twice. Twice means 2. The distance P from B. Pa is equal to 2Pb. Here finding the values Pa and Pb and substitute and simplifying. This is the process for finding the locus of a point.